I would now like to change the wording in the sidebars. We don't want every page of the menu to say fine Italian dining. I would like this heading to be our breakfast menu. We cannot edit it because it's on the parent pages. So what we need to do is to release this content from the master page, just for this page only. So you're going to hold the Shift and the Command or the Control key on a Windows computer, and you're going to click on the text. We can now see that it has become editable. I'm going to double click in there. I'm going to highlight this text, and I'm going to type in our breakfast menu. Just for this page, we've released the content from the parent pages. We cannot go and rename the parent pages because then it will name everything as you saw throughout the entire document. So we have just now ensured by doing that we have released this content from the parent pages. I'm going to scroll across to the right facing spread. I'm going to Shift Command click on the text. I'm going to double click. I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to type in our lunch menu. The rest of the pages, as you can see here, the rest of the pages still have the master content on them. I can use Command or Control 0, and that zooms me out to their full page.